Welcome to Safetica 101. In this episode, we will go over deactivating the Safetica client on your endpoints. You may need to temporarily deactivate the Safetica client on some computers for troubleshooting purposes. When deactivating Safetica, you have the choice to deactivate the entire client or specific components. You can also deactivate integrations into certain applications. In order to deactivate Safetica for troubleshooting, there are a few steps that you must follow. First, you need to determine which endpoints to deactivate. Next, individual Safetica components can be deactivated depending on the item that you are trying to troubleshoot. And finally, if there is an issue with a specific application, you can turn off the Safetica integration into the application itself. From the Safetica console, navigate to Maintenance and then Endpoint Deactivation. In the visualization mode, you can see which devices Safetica is active on. As you can see from the list, all devices are currently active. By switching to Settings mode, we can start to deactivate the Safetica client on the endpoints. You can deactivate at the global level, group, or individual device level. First, let's deactivate one device. To do this, we scroll the bar next to Safetica Endpoint Client to the left to deactivate, and then save the settings to change. After hitting the refresh button, we can see that the client has turned off and the SA is now in the icon indicating that the client is no longer active. We can also see that the device name shows red indicating that it is deactivated. And if we switch back to visualization mode, we can see that the endpoint client is deactivated and all of the components are also deactivated. You can also deactivate individual components of Safetica to troubleshoot issues. For example, if you believe Safetica is affecting Outlook, you can deactivate the MAPI extension to see if the Outlook issue is related to Safetica. If you are having issues on a group of devices, you can deactivate at the group level by selecting the group and following the same steps to deactivate. We can see that the entire group of devices has now started the deactivation process. And once again, if we switch to visualization mode, the group of devices are starting to deactivate. In addition to deactivating Safetica client and individual components, you can also turn off integrations into specific applications. To do this, navigate to Maintenance and then to Integration Settings. In this training, we will turn off the integration into Chrome. We will search for Chrome and then look for chrome.exe. Now we can switch the integration from active to inactive. You can also set up test groups and only turn on integration for those test devices. Turning off application integrations will not affect the auditor functionality. This only affects DLP policies. Thanks for watching this episode of Safetica 101. This training introduced you to some of the many features and capabilities of Safetica. For more information, please visit our website or call us.